Are you interested in creating the popular particle disappearing effect using CapCut? In this tutorial, I will guide you step by step on how to achieve that look easily and professionally. So let's get started. First, open CapCut on your PC, import the image you want to use. You can adjust the resolution depending on where you plan to upload the video. Since I am creating this for YouTube, I will set the resolution to the YouTube standard size. Next, select the image layer in the timeline. Hold the Alt key on your keyboard, then click and drag the layer upward to create a duplicate. This will give us two identical layers to work with. Now click on the top layer, the duplicate, go to the right panel and find background removal option. Select auto cutout or background removal. Wait a few seconds for the background to remove automatically. Once done, it's time to apply the particle effect. Click on the effects tab located at the top. In the trending section, search for particle effect. You will notice that there are two particle effects available. Each creates a different kind of disappearing animation. One works as dissolve in while the other works as dissolve out. Drag and drop the one you prefer onto the duplicated layer. Give CapCut a few seconds to render the effect. Now play back your timeline to see the effect in action. You can experiment with both versions of the particle effect to see which one fits your style better. Feel free to explore other effects as well to add more creativity and uniqueness to your final video. And that's it, you have created this viral disappearing effect using CapCut. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more high quality editing tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Until then, take care and bye.